The following is a tutorial video on how to create advising notes about a student. To get started, you can either use your advisee report to look up your student by going to View All Apps, or you can look up the student by name using the search bar. We will use View All Apps to pull up our advisee report. Click on My Advisees, click on Advisee Report, and then click on the student. Once you have the student pulled up, you will use the History tab on the blue Profile navigation bar to pull up Note History. Once you pull up the note history, you can see the notes that have already been created. To add a student note, click Add a Student Note. To get started with the note, add a note topic. Use the drop-down to click on the options. Start with Calvin University, Academic Advising, and then choose the topic that makes sense. We'll use registration. Optionally, you can add a note about who initiated the conversation. Once you click on the drop-down menu, you can see that you can use institution, other, parent, or student. Since I'm initiating the note, I'll use institution. You can continue to use the default note date and time or change those. Then when you type in the note information, you can use the rich text formatting tabs at the top to bold, underline, or italicize anything in the note if you wish. The next button to choose is whether or not to share with the student. If you click yes, the student will be able to view the note. If you click no, the student will not be able to view the note, but others will be able to view it, such as other advisors or the Center for Student Success. We'll click yes. We want the student to be able to view it. You can optionally choose other information, such as which academic period it refers to and possibly other topics that it relates to. Once you're done, click the OK button. Once you've reviewed the information, then you click the Done button. The note's been added. Be aware that students do not receive notification when you add a note, so the Notes feature should not be used to replace email or other direct communication. This concludes the video on how to add a student note.